To watch this video in Hindi, open the link given below. Hey guys, it's Vinay and you are watching Tech Talks. Let's start today's video. So, how to flash custom recovery and how to access it. To access custom recovery, you have to go to About Phone, System Update and Reboot to recovery mode. You can also use the combination of keys to access it. The combination is volume down plus power button plus volume up. To flash recovery, just power off your device. Reboot it into the fastboot mode. Wait until it vibrates and then leave the keys. You can see the device is in the fastboot mode and fastboot is written down there. Now connect it to the PC. Now open the ADB file and type fastboot space flash fastboot space devices. You can see if your device is connected there. Now type fastboot space flash space recover. Space recovery.img. You can see OK is written there, sending recovery and writing recovery is OK. Now type fastboot space boot space recovery.img. Press enter. Now your phone will start in the recovery mode in a few seconds. You can see the TWRP recovery is there. To reboot to the system, just press reboot and then reboot to system.